Welcome to this course on Start Your Journey from Embedded to IoT.
So in this Arduino Uno board, we have discussed about the microcontroller chip, and the microcontroller chip which we are using here is the ATmega328. Okay, so this chip which we are using is the ATmega328P microcontroller chip. So we will going to discuss about this ATmega328P. So this is the ATmega328P chip is a 28 pin narrow dual in package. So this is known as the DIP. Dual in package means DIP, and it has got a 28 pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So it has got 28 pins. And when we are talking about this ATmega28P, so this P referred to the pico power. So what we can say, this ATmega328P is the high performance low power AVR controller. So this is a ATmega328P are widely used in the embedded system, and whatever the Arduino Uno board you are using, you will going to find that you have got this ATmega328P chip. So ATmega328P, so what we can say, it has got a maximum chip memory size. So I can say here programming memory of a 32K, and it is a 8-bit microcontroller chip. Then it has got a timers. We have to talk about that. In a microcontroller we have got a timers. So we have got a 3 timers in it. Okay, we have got a 3 timers in this microcontroller. So 2 timers are 2 into 8 bit, and 1 timer is 1 into 16 bit. So we have got a 3 timer, and the temperature range which this microcontroller chip can be used. Okay, so whenever you are developing the embedded product, so you can see that there are some of the embedded products which will going to fail when you are taking that product into different temperature range. So whenever we are using that embedded products, we have got a chip that what is the specific range of that chip which can be work in the given temperature range. So this temperature range which we have got for this microcontroller, so it can work from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if the temperature is falling below this microcontroller chip will not be able to work. Okay, so therefore if you are developing some embedded products where there is the excess of a temperature above 85 degrees Celsius, or the temperature is below 40 degrees Celsius, you are not able to use this ATmega328P chips. So whenever we are developing the embedded products, we have to keep into the mind for which application or for which location we are developing these products. Then if we talk about the further, so this ATmega328P has got a replaceable chips. Okay, that means the microcontroller which I have Arduino Uno board I have shown you. Okay, if suppose there is a fault in that ATmega328P chip, you can simply take it out. Okay, and buy another ATmega328P chip and just put it on that Arduino Uno board. And the price of this ATmega328P chip is around 100 to 150 rupees. You can easily get it from the market. So this is the replaceable chip, and this is the one of the most advantage that why this Arduino Uno board has become more popular. So we don't have to solder this chip, we simply put it in the socket and that chip will going to start working. Then this microcontroller chip which we are talking about, ATmega328P, it is a EEPROM, electrical erasable program. So electrical erasable program means, suppose I have store one program. Okay, let's say blinking of a LED. Now Suppose I want, okay, I don't want to write a program for the blinking of a LED. What I want to develop a traffic light controller. So what will going to happen? Do you will go and buy another microcontroller chip? No. So this microcontroller chip has got a EEPROM. Okay, that is stand for the electrical erasable program ROM. So by sending the electrical signal, whatever the program you have written on that microcontroller chip will going to be vanish out. And out of this EEPROM, it has got 1 KB of EEPROM, which is a memory which is not erased when powered off. So suppose, what is the meaning, that if you suppose you have programmed it, now I have programmed my microcontroller with the blinking of a LED. Okay, now I take it out from the USB port from which I have uploaded the program. If now I have taken out that, if I put it external power supply, let's say my power bank, if I connect my Arduino Uno with the power bank, so will it will going to erase the program? No, it will not going to erase the program. The erasing of a program will only be done when you will going to upload a new code on it. Otherwise, the program which you have uploaded once will going to remain until unless if you are electrically erasing it again. So that is the, it is known as the electrical erasable programmable ROM. Battery connected. Okay, that means as we have told you that suppose you want to control this, you want to develop a project. Okay, so you want to give it a external power supply. You cannot connect it always with the USB port, or you cannot connect it with the external charger cables. Okay, so what you have to do, you can connect your Arduino board with the battery connector, so that it can be become a portable device, and you can, whatever the embedded product you have developed, it can be operated with the simple 9-volt battery, which is easily available. You can, in the market you can go and find the 9-volt battery. It is easily available nowadays. We have got a very good 9-volt lithium batteries are also available, which have a long life duration, like a Duracell and all. So this is the advantage of this microcontroller chip, and that's why we are focusing on this Arduino Uno.